Hey guys, so I get a question for you. You sick of turkey yet? Because we kind of are and we need a day off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make use of our leftover pigs in blankets, some of the ham we have left over, some mushrooms that need using up. We're going to have pasta. Come down here and have a look. Okay, so we're going to start off with turning the heat on because that's always a good start. Right, I've got one large onion that's been sliced and about 2 cups of sliced mushrooms, probably about 500 grams or so, I guess, 250 maybe, I don't know, half a punnet of mushrooms, half a punnet that looks like this. There you go. Right, so we're going to saute those off first. Okay, where's my wand? Where's my wand? Right, I'm going to use my wand. I'm going to saute those off. Want them to be nice and soft before we put the other things in, because if we don't, the other things are going to overcook because they're already cooked, right? Okay, so let's saute those off for about five-ish minutes till they go soft. Okay, so they've been sauteing off for a good 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes, and meanwhile I chopped up our leftover pigs in blankets, which we made from full-size sausages. We had 6 of those left, so there's those. And I chopped up or sliced 4 pieces of our leftover ham. So they're all going in there too, like that. Yeah. Just gonna give those a bit of a stir through. Now, the next bit we have to do is we're going to add in our cream. Now, if you use dairy cream, that's up to you. We don't. We use plant-based cream because we prefer it. And I'm using the whole thing. So about 300 mils of the cream. Yeah? The other thing I'm going to be using is a plant-based cream cheese with garlic and herb. Saves me having to put in all the seasonings. I'll just put that in instead, and that's about 250 grams. So if you've only got plain cream cheese, and again, if you want to use your own cream cheese, use that. That's up to you, but we prefer not to. It's not quite as rich as the dairy one and doesn't leave us feeling quite so bloated and yucky, which is, you know, that's a good thing. Alright, so you have to mix this and get it to simmer until that cream cheese has incorporated into the sauce. So it's going to take a little while because it has to melt first, obviously. But once that's done, that's pretty much the sauce done. Honestly, that's it. Seriously, that is it. Now, if you wanted to add some greens to that, like some spinach or some cabbage, or even, you know, just some peas or something, you could do that without a problem. We just want to keep it simple tonight. So, yeah. And that's it, guys. And you've just got to simmer that now until the sauce thickens up a wee bit. It doesn't have to settle up too much because it needs to coat the pasta when it's done. I'm still waiting for the water to boil. That's how quick this sauce is. Okay? It's literally taken me 10 minutes to get here to do this. The pasta's going to be another 10 minutes. So I'll be back when the pasta's done to show you how I'll finish it off. Okay guys, so you need to watch really carefully. This is the complicated bit, right? We're finishing off. It's really complex. I need you guys to pay attention, okay? Alright, so we're going to tip out our pasta. I cooked off about 500 grams of pasta because that means that we're going to have enough for leftovers. Whether we put those in the freezer or munch on them over the next couple of days, I don't know. Probably freezer. I don't know. Anyway, so you steam it off. Okay. Pull it off. The next bit is we're going to put this bit back in the pot. Like I said, this is complicated, so you need to pay attention, right? Put that back in the pot, like that. This pot can go back in the sink for a second, because then it's easier for you guys to see. Then I get the other pot that's got the sauce in it. I go straight in there. Okay. So, there you go. Oh, come out. See, I told you it's complicated. Right. And we just mix that all through, which will thicken our sauce, coat it all over the pasta. And you know what? Bish, bash, bosh. It's done. How cool is that? Like, seriously, guys, you couldn't ask for something simpler than this. Mission accomplished. You know, 15 minutes. 15 minutes from go to woe. Okay? Cook the sauce, cook your pasta, get it all done together, chuck it in a bowl, and throw it in front of the kids. My kids pretty much used to live off stuff like this when they were when they were younger. I used to turn everything into a pasta bake, and as soon as it was a pasta bake, they'd eat it. You know, if you want to make this into a pasta bake, all you have to do, okay, is just pour it into your baking tray, cover it in cheese, bang it in the oven until the cheese is melted, and you're done. Pasta bake. I now have enough in there, or we now have enough in there for probably, God, another 3 meals each. So this is probably made for 8 people. My kids would have, through that bowl, was me, my ex-husband, and the children, probably would have done us for 3 meals. Not even kidding. The whole pan. Not even kidding. Especially if I'd made it into a pasta bake. And 9 times out of 10, I would have chucked in a can or a packet of mixed veg, frozen mixed veg. Chuck that in there so the kids had their veg, and it was done. Simple. Okay? It's easy. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, please do subscribe, because more the merrier. You're all welcome here. You know I love you. Yeah, I do. And hit the little red bell icon, you know, and choose the all option, because then you'll know when my videos are coming up, because that'd be a good thing, yeah? Okay, and please do hit like on the videos that you see, because it means a lot to me and it does help the channel a lot. Love you guys heaps. Mwah. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.